Hello, welcome to the supplemental video for Integrated Marketing Communication course. Today, we are going to discuss about influencer marketing. Throughout the years, studies shown that the reach for social media posts has decreased. From 12% in 2013 for each social media post, it decreases to 1 or 2% only in 2017 for each social media post. This phenomenon is due to the increasing number of social media services users as well as the addition of new social media services. In 2013, we only know Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram, while now, aside from the aforementioned social media service, we also know that there's Snapchat, YouTube, as well as TikTok. The situation becomes more dire when we consider the level of trust that the audience give toward advertising. Ads on social networks only gain 36% of audience trust, compared to 92% trust gained by recommendation, also known as word of mouth. Which is why recently, influencer marketing becomes a very popular thing in advertising industry. Influencer marketing is basically a communication strategy using popular and influential users in online social media. Influencers are regarded as special individuals who create valuable content. They have high reputation in specific fields and are followed by a large number of users in online social media. Influencer success and influence can be determined by engagement, which described by the ability to obtain reactions by consumers on a post through number of likes, comments, shares, retweets, favorites on an influencer post based on different time spans. These time spans can be days, hours, week, month, or even years. How does influencer marketing or word of mouth works? First of all, it is highly effective because traditional marketing is never enough. In word of mouth, there's low barrier between communicators and the communicant, which is why message transfer usually happens smoothly without any barriers. The second one is the broader reach because producer or advertiser is not the only one communicating the message. There's sharing principle, or viral principle as we know it, which enables broader user reach. It also gives higher impact. People are most likely to trust the message given by the person they know rather than a stranger. And last, it also creates more engagement because people feel like they have a part in the cause, which is why they tend to feel like they need to make some campaigns successful. Next, I'm going to provide definitions regarding some terms in influencer marketing. The first term is endorsement. Endorsements is a form of advertising that uses famous personality or celebrity who command a high degree of trust, recognition, respect, or awareness among the people or the public, in this case, the audience. Such people advertise by lending their fame or their reputation or their image to promote a product or service. The more famous or celebrated the endorser is, the more expensive it can be to use that personality for a product. Because why? Because the amount of trust given by the audience toward the endorser can also be higher. The second term is ambassador. Brand ambassador basically is a marketing term for a person employed by organization or company to promote its product or services within the activity known as branding. Brand ambassador is meant to embody the corporate identity in appearance, demeanor, value, and ethics. In the practice of brand ambassador, there is a higher level of involvement between the person who becomes the brand ambassador compared to those in endorsement. The third one is celebrity branding. Marketing basically benefits from celebrities' popularity and influence to get their message across. Celebrity can capture consumers' attention, link the brand with their own personal image, as well as associate their positive attribute with those of the product concerned. Using celebrity branding is more beneficial than non-celebrity branding because celebrity branding has higher awareness and more attractive, which is explained in the next slide. The benefit of celebrity branding is to build higher brand equity and affinity. The second one is to help people remembering the ads. The third one, it causes the ads to stand out among the other ads. The fourth is to make people believe that the product contributes to a superstar status. However, aside from the benefit, there's also some disadvantages of celebrity branding. Some of the disadvantages are, first of all, that the celebrity that is super famous can overshadow the product itself. Second one, when celebrity become overexposed, it can create boredom among the audience. The third one, with each image changing of the celebrity, it also affects the brand. In influencer marketing, there are several rules that needs to be adhered or to address. There are several criteria that needs to be fulfilled in order to create a successful endorsement or ambassador campaign. The first one, we have to make sure celebrities, endorser, or the ambassador must possess 3 certain criteria that makes up a good source. First criteria is expertise, which is explained by knowledge, experience, and problem-solving skill. However, this knowledge, this experience, and problem-solving skill has to be relevant with those of the products. The second one is trustworthiness. It consists of truthfulness, believability, and objectivity. People will likely to trust someone that they think sincere because they think that these stars or the celebrity have no agenda. The third one is attractiveness. There are 3 elements in attractiveness, which is similarity, familiarity, and likability. So someone must have been similar or at least have a certain kind of similarity to those of their audiences. The second one is familiarity, in which they are familiar or well known. While the last one is likability, in which they have the quality to be liked by the public. The nature of influencer marketing is as dynamic as human being itself, which is why it takes well-planned, well-executed, and well-managed campaign to ensure the success of influencer marketing. But that is exactly why influencer marketing is always an interesting topic to discuss, to learn, as well as a challenge to execute.